over how to use our earn page. Our earn page are a set of farms. The question is, what are farms? Farms are contracts that accept a token as a deposit, and as long as the token is there, it rewards another token. So it's a multi-staking contract. In the case of Interest Protocol, it rewards the interest governance token. The idea is to incentivize liquidity providers to provide more liquidity, hold the LPs, because they can farm our governance token, which is considered an extra profit on top of it. Let's go over the UI right now. At the top, you see a set of filters. This is quite important because on the main net, we might have over 30 farms, so you need a quick way to find the one you're looking for. The first one is a switch between on and off. When it is turned on, it will only show farms that you have tokens deposited on them. The second is a switch between live and finished. Live are farms that are still rewarding our governance token, and finished are farms that are no longer rewarding it. As you can see here, the Dinero USDT stable farm is no longer active, and on this farm you can only withdraw and you cannot deposit because it doesn't make sense to deposit if you're not earning anything. The third is a way to display farms based on the type of the LP they accept. Just to recapitulate, our DEX uses two trading algorithms. One is what we call the stable algorithm, which is meant to be used for pegged assets like stablecoins, and the second is what we dubbed volatile, which is meant to be used for uncorrelated assets. So stable, as you guys can see here, is mainly for Dinero, our stablecoin and USDC farm, and volatile will be for the others like interest token, Ethereum farm. The fourth is just a way to sort by these four parameters: the ID, the total value locked, the APR, and the allocation. The last but not least is a search bar in which you can type a name, a symbol, or an address. So if I type int, it will only show me farms that include the interest token. Let's say that I want to interact with the interest Ethereum farm, volatile. I simply click on the enter button and I'm taken to the farm page. The farm page starts by showing you the token that the farm will take, then gives you the summary, the TVL, total value locked, the state, it is still live, it's still rewarding, the APR, basically a profit per year, and the allocation. The allocation is basically says that this farm takes 96% of all the new interest tokens created. But you're probably wondering how come this has a very large allocation, right, but has a low APR. It's because there's a lot of tokens deposited on this farm, 9.81 million. So the more tokens are deposited, the less profitable it is for everyone, right? Because the minting rate, the rewards rate is constant. Your balance, the first panel, shows you how many tokens you have in your wallet. On this button, it will take you to the pool page so you can get more LP tokens in case you want more. Just use this panel here. If you don't know how this whole concept of pool works and adding and removing liquidity, check our pool guide on our docs. Let us return. The second panel shows you how many tokens you have deposited on this farm and allows you to deposit more or withdraw. If you want to add more tokens to the farm, simply click on the plus button. You swap a model. On the model, you can write down, let's say I want to add 2 because I have on my wallet 3.9, and then I can simply click on confirm to trigger the transaction. To close, I can click on X cancel, just click it outside. Now imagine that I want to remove some tokens from the farm. I simply click on the red button and it is the same logic. Here I see that I have over 100,000 tokens on the farm, so I can simply write down and remove 100 and I click on confirm to trigger the transaction. I'm not doing the transactions because it takes some time, and just let's move on. The last panel shows you how many rewards you can get. Simply click on harvest and the farm will send you the rewards. they are in interest token, and this is the value in dollars. This concludes our end page guide. If you have further questions, any doubts, or encounter any error, feel free to submit a form by clicking on this button, or reach us out on our social medias, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, or via email. Thank you.